Good morning, class 10. Let us continue biotechnology. We have seen up till now what is biotechnology and which are the main area where this biotechnology are used. Now we are proceed towards the next topic, that is commercial application of biotechnology. Actually, there are 6 to 7 commercial applications of biotechnology, but in this video we are going to see the commercial application in crop biotechnology. First is hybrid seed. As we have discussed earlier, that hybrid seeds means what? Hybridization means what? Combination of two different genes of different seeds. Okay, so from which a desired quality of crop plant can be produced. And this hybrid seeds is mainly useful for fruits. Why? Because for example, suppose we have two different types of mango trees. One has a characteristic of good height and second has gives the food around 5 to 4 years. Okay, after 5 to 4 years, but it gives very sweet foods. So taking the combination of these two genes from the plant which has very good height and the other which gives very sweet foods, combine those two genes and form a make a hybridization and get a good variety of fruits. So this hybrid seed is specially useful for the fruits. Second is genetically modified crop. The name itself suggests that the genes are modified from the crops. For example, the foreign genes. Foreign genes means what? Which characters we want in that crop plant. That genes and the crop genes are hybrid together to form high yield of crop plant. And also that crop is diseases resistance. Diseases resistance means what? It is diseases free, which does not get any diseases. So those plants, those diseases resistance crop plants are obtained from genetically modified crop plants. Okay, now where are these used? Which are the examples? We will see. BT cotton. Now BT cotton, actually the cotton plant gets some diseases like bollworm, in which the insect which eats that cotton. For that purpose, the bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis is given to that crop plant, and as the cotton grows, that bollworm insect eat that cotton, and the bacteria, this bacteria enters into the alimentary canal of this insect and it get die. So in that purpose, for that purpose, this Bacillus thuringiensis is uh, incorporated to that crop plant, BT cotton. Next is BT brinjal, same as it is BT cotton. Okay. Next is golden rice. Now why this is golden rice? Now in our daily life we are eating a rice which has vitamin, but with the help of this genetically modified crop, the rice which is produced is golden rice. Why it is called golden? Because it is enriched of vitamin A. Why? Because it contains the beta carotene, and which is 23 times more better than the regular rice which we eat every day. Okay, so that is called golden rice. This golden rice is produced by hybridization and make a good variety of rice which are enriched in vitamin A. Next is herbicides tolerant plant. Now here the word sides means to kill. Herbs means what? The herbs means the unwanted grass or small herbs plant which grows along with the crop. So these herbicides are given or the sprayed on the crop plant to kill the unwanted grass. Got it? So in this way, these genetically modified crop plants are used in BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice and herbicides tolerance plant. Next, third point is biofertilizer. Bio means living organism and fertilizer means to enhance the growth of plant. So the biofertilizer which contains living microorganism, when it is applied to the seed, it promotes the growth of those crop plant. Remember children, you might have heard about the leguminous plant which contains the bacteria called rhizobium. What is the function of that rhizobium bacteria? Yes, rhizobium, azotobacter, nostoc. What is the role of those bacteria? Because plants required nitrogen, and in atmosphere nitrogen is 75 to 78%, but it is in free form. We have that free form nitrogen is not good for the plant. So these bacteria, what they plays important role children, these bacteria convert that free nitrogen from the atmosphere into nitrate, nitrite and amino acid compound and make available for those plant. You have studied this in 9th standard. Okay, so these bacteria plays a very important role. So that is why they promote the growth, which enhance the growth of those crop plant. So these are the biofertilizer. Now take out your textbook and underline important points. Today we saw commercial applications of biotechnology in crop biotechnology. Okay, so underline biotechnology is used in agricultural field to improve yield and variety. We take huge quantity of yield and different types of variety. Okay, in that we saw hybrid seeds, which is used, hybrid seeds are useful for fruits. Then we saw the genetically modified crop. Underline this definition children. These are called as genetically modified crop. Then in that we saw bt cotton, bt brinjal. In that the which microorganism is plays an important role. In that bacillus thuringiensis, this bacteria plays important role. Okay, which improve the variety of brinjal and kill the pest in the same way as in bt cotton. So underline this bacteria, bacillus thuringiensis. Then we saw golden rice. Then herbicides tolerant plant, which are used to destroy the weeds because they affect the main crop. Okay. Then last we saw biofertilizer. Due to use of biofertilizer, instead of using chemical fertilizer, nitrogen fixation, then phosphate solubilization ability of the plants are improved. So which are those bacteria? I have already told you, that is rhizobium, azotobacter, nostoc, anabaena, and the plants like azolla are used as a biofertilizer. Okay, that's all for today children. In the next video we shall learn about animal husbandry. Thank you.